Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jenny. Welcome, I'm glad you stopped by. And if you're not new here, then you know that it's been quite a while since I've actually filmed a video. And it's just been a really, not stressful year, but it's been a very eventful year, I guess I could say that. So I'm going to be doing like a chit chat get ready with me. So if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep on watching. So first off, if I sound kind of nasally, I think I'm getting a cold, so just bear with me please. So first off, I'm just going to be doing like a chill get ready with me, and I'm also going to be using the products that I got in the December Allure Beauty Box. This is the Jekyll and Hill box. So if you also want to see what's in here, I'm going to be going through it. So in the box it comes with a little book thing, and it just tells you what's all in the box. Then it comes with a little gift card for Bobble Bar, and then a mini size mascara professional volume by Dior. So I'm excited to try that out. Then it came with a little sample size Purity Philosophy 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. It came with a mini Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. It came with the Morphe M433 Blending Brush, which is a holy grail product for Jekyll and Hill, so she put that in there. It came with the Orbe Matte Waves Texture Lotions. And then finally it came with a little sample size champagne pop, which I'm really excited to try this out because I never tried it out. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see that with the lights, but it's really pretty. So that's it that was in my beauty box, so let's just hop on into getting ready. The first thing I'm going to use is actually this Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I've never tried this. So this is what it looks like. Comes in a little tube, a little frosted tube. It's actually really pretty. So I'm just going to start off by putting this on my face. I don't know how much you're supposed to use because I never use this kind of stuff. So we're just going to, that should be good. I'm just going to rub this in. Oh, it actually feels like velvety. I've never had a primer that felt like this. But one of the reasons that I haven't filmed in a while is actually because me and my husband, well, he's not, but I am, we're actually going to have a baby in May. So I have been dealing with a lot with severe morning sickness, which they call it morning sickness, but mine is like all day sickness, and it was just horrible. I don't think I've ever threw up so much in my life, and it's not like just regular throwing up. It's like, well, you throw up, but then like I was nauseous like 24/7. So I did lose a little bit of weight while that, but I'm actually gaining a little bit back now, so that's actually really good, and I am over it now, so I'm so happy. But this pregnancy has really been a breeze. Besides the morning sickness, I haven't had really any problems besides that. And we are having a baby boy, so that's exciting. And this is our first child, if you didn't know. I'm just going to put some chapstick on. But yeah, really excited about adding to our family. We only have one small inside dog and then one large outside dog, so it's going to be really fun, I think. If you're watching this and you're pregnant too, or you're a new-time mom, comment down below. I would really like to hear your thoughts on being pregnant, or already having your baby, or just having your baby. Being pregnant can really be exciting and kind of terrifying at the same time. But I'm just ready for him to get here healthy, and that way we can love on him. So yeah, so what have you guys been up to this year? Well, not this year because it's already 2018. How was your 2017? Leave that in the comments down below. I'd love to hear how your year went last year. Okay, so first I'm just going to go in with my Makeup Forever HD foundation, and this is in the shade R230, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. Another thing that happened last year is I actually quit my job, so I'm hoping that I can actually upload more consistently this year, and I'm really going to try to focus on at least uploading once a week so you guys can have a video. Nothing happened at my job, it's just I was really sick for like the first 17 weeks of being pregnant, so I would get to work and I would just throw up, and then when I didn't throw up I was just dry heaving all the time, and it helped whenever I lay down. So that's why I quit my job. But my husband makes enough for the both of us, so I actually could quit my job, so that is a good thing. I'm very thankful for him, and I don't know why, but here recently I've been getting such dry patches right here. I don't know if it's because of the weather, because down here in South Georgia it just gets hot and then it gets cold, and then we just went through a really cold phase where it actually snowed for like 2 hours and then stopped and then melted. But it was actually fun to get out and play in the snow for a few minutes. It didn't stick that much, so it was just like a sheer white coating on the ground. But I'm curious, does it snow a lot where you live? Down here in Georgia, the last time it snowed was about 8 years ago, so it was a nice change for us Southerners. Next I'm going to go in with concealer, and this is the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10 Light and 15 Fair. I'm going to put the shade 10 Light closer to my eye where the dark circles are, because it's a little more of an orangey color. You'll have to excuse the lighting. I'm actually filming in my living room, so I had to do a weird setup because we're actually turning where I used to film into a nursery, so I'm not going to be able to film in there anymore. So I'm going to have to find somewhere else to film. I guess I might try to set up some place in my bedroom to film. Then I'm just going to take the shade 15 Fair and then just put it on top of it. But this will have to do for now, because if I wait till I have a place to actually film, then I'm never going to upload a video, and I wanted to go ahead and get one up before we leave, because me and my husband are actually leaving on Sunday, a few days after you'll be watching this. We're leaving to go to the mountains for our anniversary, and since this is going to be our last anniversary trip before the baby's born, we are actually going to stay like a week. So I think that's going to be really fun. Hopefully it'll be snowing up there when we go, but who knows with this weather that we've been having here in the South. And we actually go to the Tennessee mountains. It's the Great Smoky Mountains, and we just love it up there. We always go every year for our anniversary. Then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set my under eyes and my face. I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to wipe it off. Then I'm just going to go in with actually it's an e.l.f. blush brush, but I just use it for my powder. I take a little bit and then I set my eyes with it, because I did put concealer on my eyes for a base for my eyeshadow. Then I go in with this big e.l.f. Professional Total Face brush, and then I just get a little bit of powder on there and then just go over the rest of my face. Next I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm going to try to pre-film another video after this video, maybe tomorrow. That way I can have a video up for you guys next week, since I won't be here to film. I don't know what I'm going to film yet, so if you have any suggestions, then just leave them down in the comments below. These shadows, man. I'm going to have to figure out something with my lighting, because I know they gotta be bothering y'all because they're bothering me. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm not gonna do anything too dramatic because I do have church tonight. So I'm just gonna do a soft color on the lid. Then I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here. So I'm just gonna put this in my outer corner. Then I'm gonna take the same brush that I put the transition color with, and I'm just going to blend this out. Then I'm just going to take a pencil brush and go into this dark brown color right here, and I'm just going to put that right in the outer V, and then I'm just going to blend it out. Take another little pencil brush and go back in with this shade and run it all on my bottom lash line, just to smoke it out just a little bit. I'm going to take this Royal and Lang Nickel crease and smudge brush. I'm just going to take the smaller side and go in with this color again to put it on the outer part of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a little flat definer brush and go in with the dark brown shade. I'm going to put that right on my lash line. I'm only going to go in about halfway with this color. I'm going to go in with blush now, and I'm going to be using this Makeup Geek blush in the shade Bliss. Then I'm just going to go in with this Morphe brush and just blend my blush and my bronzer together so we don't have a line. So I'm going to go in with the Becca Champagne Pop, this little mini right here. I'm just going to put it on the tops of my cheekbones. And it doesn't have a smell to it either, like the Ophir one does. I really like the Rodeo Drive highlighter. It just has such a strong, like, perfume scent. I'm going to do my brows off camera, but I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in Taupe. So I will be right back. Now I'm going to use this mini size Dior Show mascara. And is it supposed to come out like that? This is a really fat one, so I don't know how I feel about this. I'm used to more skinnier ones. But it's actually really pretty on the eyes. So that's it with it, and then without it, that's just one coat. Okay, so that's with 2 layers. I actually think it looks really good with 2 layers. It looks more fuller. It's still not quite as long as some of my other ones, but I do really like it. But it has a weird scent to it, so if you're funny about scents, then I don't know if you would like this mascara. I can already tell you I don't like this for a bottom lash mascara. It's just too thick in my opinion. Okay, so I'm going to actually go in with this Clinique High Impact Mascara and do the rest of my bottom lashes. That one is just not working for me. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.